How to install Google Chrome on laptop or PC. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So for that, you may open up your desktop or computer and locate up the browser, the available browser which is already on your device. After that, you need to open it up. So once you open it up, you may go ahead and use the search at the top and search for Google Chrome in your available browser. Chrome and hit search. And then once you hit search here, you will be getting Google Chrome results. So you may click on the very first link, which is this Google Chrome right here. Open it up and it will lead you to this page. All you gotta do is simply click on this download option from the screen and then wait for the download to be completed. It may take about some minutes for the download to be completed. You may go ahead and read up the steps if you want in order to install it on your device. Like you need to open it up and click on yes and wait for the download to be completed. So once the file is downloaded on your device like this, you may go ahead and open it up on your file manager, your files, and then it will pop up like this. Now all you gotta do is simply hit install from these option and then it will be downloaded onto your device. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to download Google Chrome on your device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.